In times when we're busy, you've got to drop the kids off, you've got to go to school, you've got to finish off that assignment, you've got to be ready at work, you've got to do this, and that's aside from all of the curveballs that life throws you. We've got to be centered. And what this means is we're able to allocate a period of time every single day to check in on people. How are you doing? Just a phone call. And then maybe once a week if we're able to take out of our busy schedules to go and visit someone. And this is a revival of a sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, what they call a ziyarah fillah. Oftentimes when people call us after a long period of time, it's like, okay, what's for sale? What are they going to sell us now? We need to change that mindset. People need to be trusting of us. This is the nature of the Muslim, that they're people of amana, and they feel at trust and they feel at ease. We can hold space for people. They feel that they are cared for. And the one that cares for other people is cared for. The one that takes care of others is taken care of by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. These are the people that are close to the Prophet ﷺ, and especially in a time which is characterized by distraction, where everyone's too busy, even for their own selves.